Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add credit card in Google Play Store. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So if you tend to make any payments using the Play Store, or you want to subscribe to any application in Google Play Store and now you want to add your credit card, then this is what you need to do. Go ahead and open the Play Store application or the Google Play application on your phone. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Locate and click on Payments and Subscriptions. Once you click on that, just go ahead and click on Payment Methods. Now, hang on for the payment method to open. Under Payment Method, locate Add Payment Method to your Google account and click on Add Credit or Debit Card. Then hang on, spot that says Add Card. Go ahead and type in your card details, the year, and then the security code. After that, click on Save Card. And when next you want to make a payment on the Google Play, just go ahead and select the card you added, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to add debit card or credit card to Google Play. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.